Have you ever laid awake at night, staring at the ceiling, asking yourself, does she even want me? Am I wasting my time? Am I just a friend? Or does she secretly want more? That's the painful truth many men never say out loud. You've been there, caught between desire and doubt. You feel the heat when she looks at you, but then she pulls away. You replay every text, every smile, every laugh in your head, over and over, wondering if you're imagining it. And deep down, the fear eats at you. What if she doesn't want me at all? What if I'm just invisible? This pain is real. It's the loneliness of feeling unwanted, the silence of unanswered questions, the ache of being unsure where you stand. But listen, here's the truth most men never realize. When a woman wants you, really wants you, she will show it. Not with vague hints, not with mixed signals, with clear, undeniable signs, if you know how to see them. And tonight, I'm going to walk you through them, so you can finally stop guessing and start knowing. Picture this. You're sitting across from her at dinner. The room is crowded, but somehow it feels like it's just the two of you. She leans in closer, her eyes sparkle when you speak, and you catch her biting her lip when she laughs. Your heart races. You think, is this it? Is she into me? But then she checks her phone, looks away, and the moment vanishes. You're left wondering if you just imagine everything, or maybe it's late at night. She texts you out of nowhere. Are you up? And for a second, your chest lights up. But then you second guess it. Is she bored? Is she lonely? Or does she actually want me? You know this dance, the push and pull, the questions spinning in your head, the hope that turns into doubt, the desire that turns into insecurity. And the worst part, not knowing if she feels what you feel. But here's the beautiful thing. Women are not as mysterious as you think. Attraction always leaks out. It escapes in body language, in tone of voice, in small actions that reveal hidden desire. If you learn to see these signs, the confusion disappears. You'll finally know. So let's talk about those signs. She might brush against your arm, or let her knee rest against yours under the table. That's not an accident, it's her way of testing the waters. Touch is one of the strongest signals of attraction, and when she initiates it, her body is speaking a truth her words may never say. Or maybe you catch her looking at you, not just a quick glance, but a lingering stare that lasts a second too long. Eyes reveal desire before words ever do, and when she holds her gaze, it's not just curiosity, it's connection. Sometimes she'll shift her plans to make sure you're alone together. Maybe she cancels a group hangout and asks you to come over. Maybe she invites you late at night. Privacy is not coincidence, it's intent. When attraction grows, people carve out space for it to breathe. And notice how her words may change too. She teases you, makes little jokes that carry double meaning, or brings up topics about attraction and relationships. Humor lowers defenses. Flirtation opens the door. If she's playful, she's already testing how far things can go. Then there's mirroring, the subtle, unconscious way her body matches yours. You lean in, she leans in. You touch your face, she touches hers. This is not random. Psychology calls it rapport. Her subconscious is aligning with you because she feels drawn to you. And pay attention to how she looks when you're around. Around others, she's casual. But when it's you, she seems to glow. The effort in her hair, her outfit, the little touch of fragrance, it's her silent way of saying, notice me. Effort is investment, and people only invest where they desire. Her timing will give her away too. You get that late night text or random call. Hey, what are you doing? At midnight. That's not boredom. That's longing. Desire often peaks when the world is quiet and defenses are down. If you're the one she thinks of when everyone else is asleep, that's not an accident. And watch how she moves around you. She'll sit closer, lean in to whisper, or stand just an inch too near. Proximity is powerful. Physical closeness increases intimacy, and if she closes the space between you, it's because she wants more. Her words may slip as well. She'll say things like, we'd make a great team, or imagine if we. That's her brain pairing you together, projecting you into her future. It's called future pacing, and when it shows up, it's not casual, it's attraction. Not every sign is bold though. Sometimes desire looks like nervousness. She fidgets, plays with her hair, blushes when you're near, or avoids eye contact because the tension is too much. That's not disinterest, it's the power of attraction showing up as nerves. And sometimes the clearest sign is when she breaks her own rules. Maybe she says, I never text first, but I just had to. Or I don't usually stay out this late. Strong desire bends boundaries. When she makes exceptions for you, it's because she wants you more than she wants her own rules. Now, I need you to hear me carefully. These signs are not about chasing women. They're not about tricks or manipulation. They're about awareness, about dignity, about finally understanding the truth so you don't keep living in confusion and pain. Because the harsh reality is this: many men waste years chasing ghost women who never wanted them. They misread politeness as desire, attention as love, and they end up broken, bitter, ashamed. But you don't have to be one of them. When you learn to see these signs, you step into clarity. You stop begging. You stop doubting yourself. You stop wasting time on those who don't see your worth. And that clarity is freedom. Freedom to walk away with your dignity intact. Freedom to recognize who truly desires you. Freedom to stop believing your value depends on someone else's attention. A woman's desire for you is not the measure of your value. It is only a reflection of compatibility, timing, and chemistry. Your worth was never in her hands, it was always in yours. So remember, she touches you, her eyes linger, she finds ways to be alone with you, she teases and flirts, she mirrors your movements, she dresses differently around you. She texts at odd hours, she finds reasons to be close, she talks about the two of you, she gets nervous around you, and she breaks her own rules for you. If you see these signs, pay attention. She's telling you more with her actions than she ever will with her words. But here's the final truth: whether she wants you or not, never forget your desire is not desperation. Your longing is not weakness. And your worth is not up for debate. If she wants you, she will show you. If she doesn't, then walk with dignity. Because the right woman will never make you question if you're wanted. She will show you without hesitation, without doubt. And when she does, you'll know. If this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more truth, more clarity, and more empowerment straight to you. Stay strong, stay aware, and remember this above all: you are worth far more than you think.